Just got to the farm about a half an hour, started raking. The grass is so long here, not right here. It's so long on the property, I've never seen it this long. I'm gonna have to mow everything with the pushing mower first before I'm gonna be able to use the tractor. There's so many sticks too. Right now I'm just working on the driveway. See, I cleaned that off so I can pull up. The driveway is really long too. It's so darn long that I wouldn't be able to drive up my car if it was a regular short little car, low car. I'm gonna start the little push mower up and clean this up right here. Look how long that is. That's the driveway, one of the driveways. Well, this is a perfect example of how long the grass is. It's like this everywhere. It's never been like this before because this was the rainiest summer. As you can see, it's way too long to use my tractor. Here's my tractor. I pushed it back. I got it charging now. It's way too long to use that right now. That will have to wait a day or two. I've been cutting paths. It's the only thing I can do. Look how long it is. And then I take a little bit off the side. See? Since I've got this tractor, I've never put air in the front tires because whoever put the tires on inside out. So it's really hard to get to the valve. So I drove the tractor and it wasn't sealed, and it came off the rim. God, it feels like there's air in there. Hey, maybe I did fill it up. That's weird. Hey, there's air in this tire. What? There's air in this tire. Yeah, naturally. Oh, it filled. Yeah, it filled up. Not the whole way though. Huh? There's air in it. I know, but how much? There's enough to keep on going and fill it up. I don't need to go to Henry's house. Let's see, this one's the same way. The valve is on the inside. In the back, they always go down, so it's a good thing they have the valves on the outside. I don't know who did that. It's like really hard unless the valve is on the bottom, which is not. I couldn't get it to seal, but I got it sealed now, so it seems like it's sealed. There's air in there. Well, I got the tractor working.
No, it's going back around.
Got the tractor working, I got the tire on, got it filled up, went down to Henry's house,
yeah.
Got it to pop on, started it up, ran it around a little bit, but there's nowhere to go. I can't go anywhere. I tried to mow through the grass a little bit and it wouldn't do nothing. I mowed through the area I cut and it worked, and I even filled up this tire over here too. It was low. So until I get more grass mowed, I'm not going to be able to even use the tractor. Because I tried to go up through there into the garden, but the grass was so long on the deck I couldn't even go through there. So now it's back to get going on the push mower until I get it more cleaned up, and then when I do, I can start using the tractor again. Maybe by tomorrow at the end of the day.
Can't see.
Look how long this grass is. When they cut the grass in July, I think they ran out of time and they didn't come up here. So I came up here. I'm not done with the grass down below, but I wanted to see if I could cut through this. And I have been able to cut through it. I'm lucky. I'm lucky it cuts through. That's some long grass. The greenhouse used to be right there. Well, I got a little bit farther today. Look how long that grass is. I'm almost to the top. Getting there. Grass is actually higher than the lawnmower. Well, I didn't know that if it would be possible for me to mow this being this long, but it is. I'm taking like sometimes a full cut, sometimes a half a cut, but I'm lifting the lawnmower up. Then I'm going back over it the other way, which recuts it. And that's how I do it. And I'm going pretty slow too. Might rain tomorrow.